I mean, whatever the new government decides need not necessarily be fully right also. See, there was a time when the Planning Commission did a great amount of work, when there was no knowledge of what the country was about, what was needed during that era of planning, say maybe the first 3, 4 plans. After that, we still need, even today, with a vast governmental machinery, to have some coordinating body. But there must be some body to know what all the ministries are doing. Otherwise, one ministry will make a particular, who will sanction the money? The finance ministry will sanction the money.
In terms of a relook, a reapproach, it seems completely in sync with the attitude and the approach that this government has had in the last 1 month that we've seen. So I genuinely think of it as a welcome move, and I do think that, you know, a 2.0 version or an update or an upgrade.
Finance Minister in the UPA, Mr. P. Chidambaram himself has said that the Planning Commission is flabby.
We've seen this in the news recently. That's also a welcome acknowledgement from our former finance
so it's
minister.
like the new plan has found takers across party lines.
I mean, I think it's important to note that even members of the Planning Commission have gone on record to acknowledge. We've had the Prime Minister, Mr. Arun Maira, has been on the record to say that the Prime Minister, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, had spoken about reforms and an overhaul.
720 hours since Mr. Narendra Modi took over, and they expect miracles from anyone. I am no fan of Narendra Modi or anything, but give him time and don't come out and say I said this and that. It reflects very poorly, and the fact is your own subject, now Planning Commission, it requires a change.
Most of the institutes have been politicalized. We have to restructure it in such a way that really it can be of any use to the nation, or if it is burden, it has to be scrapped also. There's nothing wrong in scrapping Planning Commission, and the contribution of Planning Commission at least last for 5 years or 10 years, I don't see anything. Only there is more controversies like below the poverty line, things like Miss.
In terms of the Planning Commission, I definitely will say, and taking on from Sir's point about you need to have a stature so that you take people, you know, work with you. But we also need to realize that we need to take people with us. So inclusive development is something that we cannot avoid. I completely agree that we need to demystify this process. We need to look into second generation reforms. That's a desperate need of the hour. But I think the whole need also is to take in inclusive development.